You're on the highway, music up, cruising smooth, then suddenly, a strange grinding noise. Your heart drops. Is it serious? Is your engine failing? Are you about to lose thousands? It's one of the worst moments any driver can face. And the truth is, most engine disasters don't happen out of nowhere. There are signs, small issues, and common mistakes that lead to big problems. And today we're talking about 4 things that can wreck your engine, and how you can stop them before it's too late. Stick around till the end. The #1 issue catches drivers off guard every day, and it's usually preventable. Let's start with something most people have never heard of: hydrolock. It sounds technical, but it happens fast. Water gets into your engine's cylinders. The pistons try to compress it, but water doesn't compress like air, so something breaks. Usually it's the piston or connecting rod. That's game over for your engine. Now how does this happen? Driving through deep water, hitting puddles after heavy rain. Even a wave from a passing car can push water into your air intake. Some people think their car can handle a big puddle, but one wrong splash, and the engine pulls in water instead of air. That's all it takes. And there's another risk: a blown head gasket. That can let coolant leak into the cylinders, and again, water inside the engine equals serious damage. How to avoid this? Avoid flooded streets, even if others are driving through. If your car sputters after water exposure, get it checked. Make sure your air intake isn't sitting too low, especially if you live in a rainy area. Next up, low engine oil. This one is so basic that many drivers ignore it. But here's the thing: oil keeps your engine alive. Without enough of it, metal parts grind, overheat, and break down. I've seen it happen. My cousin ignored his oil light. 2 weeks later, engine completely ruined, thousands lost. Don't wait for the warning light. Check your oil once a month. It takes 2 minutes. Look at the dipstick, make sure the level is good and the oil isn't dirty or dark. And if you ever see oil spots under your car, act fast. Leaks get worse, not better. A $10 bottle of oil can save you from a $5,000 repair. Number 3 is sneaky: the timing belt. It's small, hidden, and doesn't give much warning before it snaps. But when it breaks, pistons and valves crash into each other, and your engine is done, especially if you have an interference engine. The worst part? This isn't even a breakdown from bad luck. It's one of those things that's supposed to be replaced before it fails. Check your owner's manual. Most cars need a timing belt replacement between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Ignore that and you're gambling every time you start the engine. A friend of mine skipped hers before a road trip. Car died in the middle of nowhere. Her mechanic said it could have been avoided with a scheduled $400 fix. Instead, she paid almost $3,000. Don't wait for signs, there usually aren't any. Just get it changed when it's due. Also, know if your car has a timing belt or a chain. Chains last longer, belts need regular care. Ask your mechanic if you're not sure. Now for the #1 cause of engine failure: overheating. Engines run hot, that's normal. But when the cooling system fails, even for a few minutes, the damage is fast and brutal. Steam under the hood, warning lights, maybe even the smell of burning coolant. If you see these, stop the car. Once your engine overheats, metal can warp, the head gasket can blow, and you're looking at serious repairs. Here's what you need to do: watch your temperature gauge. Don't ignore it. If it climbs too high, pull over. Let the car idle or shut it off. Check coolant levels regularly. Look under your car after parking. If coolant is leaking, don't drive until it's fixed. One time, I was on a date. I saw steam coming out of the hood. Had to play it cool, but I knew it wasn't good. I pulled over and let the engine cool down. That small move saved my car from a full breakdown. So here's the bottom line: stay out of deep water. Check your oil every month. Don't ignore timing belt replacements. Watch your temperature gauge and fix leaks fast. These are simple habits. They don't cost much, but they can keep your engine safe and your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst engine problem you've ever had? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who drives a little too confidently through puddles, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.